Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing the all the syllabus once again. This is the third time, not third time. According to your revision test, this is third time, and not no, and if we count it from the beginning, then I think it is fifth and sixth times which we are going through the whole syllabus. And in revision test 3 we are going through your the syllabus of your revision test. As in your next revision test, it is the letter of inquiry, the letter of inquiry, letter of inquiry is there. So that is why we are going to go through such types of letters. Here we are going to go through the letter of inquiry in this video. Okay, let us begin now. So let me write down the question on board. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2008. You are Ram Isha. You are Ram Isha. You are Ram Isha living at 3MG Road. Living at 3MG Road. You are Ram Isha living at 3MG Road, Solan. Living at 3MG Road, Solan. You read an advertisement. You read an advertisement. You read an advertisement. An advertisement. You read an advertisement about a diploma course in spoken English. About a diploma, about a diploma course in spoken English. About a diploma course in spoken English. About a diploma course in spoken English. To be organized by, to be organized, to be organized by Language Learning Limited. Language Learning Limited. To be organized by Language Learning Limited, Patel Road, Chandigarh. Patel Road, Patel Road, Chandigarh. Patel Road, Chandigarh. You wish to join the course. You wish to join the course. You wish to join the course. Write a letter to the advertiser seeking all relevant information. Okay, write a letter to the advertiser. Write a letter. Write a letter to the advertiser. Write a letter to the advertiser seeking all the information. Seeking all the information. Okay. So you are Ram Isha living at 3 MG Road, Salon. You read an advertisement about a diploma course in spoken English to be organized by Language Learning Limited, Patel Road, Chandigarh. You wish to join the course. Write a letter to the advertiser seeking all the information. Okay. So we have discussed the format of writing a formal letter many times in videos as well as in classes, during your classes. So I am not going to write answer to this letter, just I will discuss the content orally. Okay. So first you all know you will have to write the senders address. Take the screenshot, let me rub it. Okay. So first of all, as we all know, you will have to write sender's address, which is MG Road, Salon. It is given in the question. Sender's address will be written MG Road, Salon. Okay, where it is in Chandigarh. Okay. So if it is not given, then you should write Salon in the next line, as area state is not given. So write this way, Salon. After that, you all know you will have to leave a blank line, then date. As it is 9th February, you should write date in this format, 9th February 2021. Okay. After that, you should write the address of the receiver's address, which is the manager or the director, language learning, or the advertiser. You can also write, but director here, the relevant one. Okay. Language Learning Limited. Language Learning Limited. You all know. First, the director, Language Learning Limited. So where it is situated? Patel Road, Chandigarh, as given in the question. It is in Patel Nagar, Chandigarh. Okay, Patel Nagar, Chandigarh. Okay, now after leaving a blank line, you will have to write subject, but don't write subject in short. Don't write SUB. It should be in complete spelling. Okay, so let me rub it. So dear students, please again and again I am discussing the format. Every time, whenever I discuss any letter, I always discuss the format so that you people won't make any mistake in your examination as well as in your pre-boards. Okay, so sentence address, after leaving a blank line, date, once again leave a blank line, the address of the receiver. Okay, then leave a blank line, subject. There should be complete spelling of subject. What is the subject? So diploma course in spoken English. You want to know? So inquiring about diploma course in spoken English. Inquiring about diploma course in spoken English. Okay, then you know how to start the content. First of all, you should mention from where you came to know about the course. So this is with your this is with reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times or in a newspaper in the Hindu, dated then you have to mention date, dated 5th February 2020. I want to know, or I want the following information regarding the course. Okay, mentioned above. Later you can also mention your qualification this way. This is with reference to your advertisement about starting a diploma course in spoken English. I have keen intention to join this course. I feel some hesitation while speaking in English. I think your course will be of much utility time. At present, I have appeared for +2 stays, or at present, I have appeared in class 10th stays, or I have appeared in the examination of 10th, class 10th. Okay. Kindly send me the following details so that I can make up my mind to join your institution at the earliest. Okay, so what are the details you want to know? You must mention like duration of course, timing and fees, etc. Then minimum qualification, minimum educational qualification, recognition by any educational board, any other language being taught. Okay, facility for correspondence, examination detail, number of students in the group. So these things you may want to know, which you must include in your letter. Okay, so I hope you will be kind enough in detailing me about these short queries. In case you have a printed printed leaflet or prospectus, in case you have any prospectus, mail it to me. I shall be highly grateful to you. For your convenience, I am sending a postage stamps with ₹5. Okay, yours faithfully. Then the name as given in the question, that is boys will be writing Ram and girls will be writing Isha. So it's all about your letter of inquiry. Let me rub it and write down more questions for you. Your format should be correct, dear students. Okay, that is very important. Next question. You are Varsha Varun. Question number 2. You are Varsha Varun. You are Varsha Varun, in charge of excursion club of VVP school. In charge of in charge of in charge of excursion club of PVB school of PVB school, Mathura Road, Delhi. Mathura Road, Delhi. Write a letter to the general manager. Write a letter. Write a letter to the general manager. Write a letter to the general manager, Northern Railways. Northern Railways. Northern Railways, requesting reservation of a bogie. Requesting reservation of a bogie. Reservation of a bogie for 80 students from New Delhi to Chennai. For 80 students. For 80 students. For 80 students from New Delhi to Chennai. From New Delhi. From New Delhi to Chennai. Okay, and back by GT Express. And back by GT Express. Okay, so it has been asked in CBSE examination 2010. You are Varsha Varun, in charge of excursion club of PVB school, Mathura Road, Delhi. Write a letter to the general manager, Northern Railways, requesting reservation of a bogie for 18 students from New Delhi to Chennai and back by GT Express. Okay, so it also comes under in the same category, in which you will have to take in inquiry whether the seats are available, whether the bogie is available. Then you will have to request the authority to book a bogie for 80 students. Okay, So first of all, you will be writing in the same way. Format should be same as we have just discussed. So first of all, you will have to mention your own address. So that is the address of the school. That is PVPB, whatever it is. Okay, let me once again write on the board so that you won't have any confusion regarding it. I always, dear students, discuss the format so that you can get it, remember. Never mistake any and never make any mistake regarding format. Okay. And you must write down all the questions by pausing the video, or you can also take this screenshot and then practice them in your notebook. All the questions which are being discussed here, you must practice them in your notebook. So first of all, you will be writing your address, which is BPV School, Mathura Road, VPV School, Mathura Road, New Delhi. Okay. Then leave a blank line and date 9 February 2021. 9 February 2021. After that, the address of the authority, the General Manager, Northern Railway, New Delhi. The General Manager, Northern Railway, New Delhi. Okay. First of all, the address of your school, VPB School, Mathura Road, New Delhi, 9 February 2021. The General Manager, Northern Railways, New Delhi. After that, you will have to write the subject. So it is a request for reservation of a bogie. And subject, after leaving a blank line, subject request for reservation of a bogie. Okay, request for reservation for a bogie. So now you will have to give all the details. After that, salutation, sir, and don't put any comma after sir, and most of the students they put comma after sir. So after sir or madam, comma is not acceptable. I have told you many times, if we don't know the gender of the person whom we are writing, then we should write sir. Okay. If exactly we know the receiver is a female, only then we should write madam. After that, content in which you will have to inform. So you can also write, you can also start the first paragraph this way. This is to bring your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. You can write, this is to bring your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Then give all the details according to the question. So a group of 80 students of our school wants to go on an excursion trip from New Delhi railway station to Chennai. They would be leaving New Delhi on 21st May, whatever the date it is, 21st May 2021. They would stay there for 5 days. Thus, they would be returning Chennai to New Delhi on 26th May 2021. Traveling in unreserved bogies is a hellish affair, fraught with risk, as it is not secure for such a great number of students. You can mention these things. It robs one of one's rest and sleep. So you are therefore requested to reserve a bogie for 80 students as detailed below. So you will have to give the detail: New Delhi to Chennai, then date of leaving from New Delhi to Chennai, and date of leaving from Chennai to New Delhi. Okay. So also allow us a traveling concession as you are booking for 80 students, so you should ask them for a discount. Okay. So also allow us a traveling concession. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Okay, yours faithfully subscription, then name Varsha Varma. Okay, dear students, so these are the way in which we write the formal letters. Already we have gone through all types of letters, so you should watch those videos, and in the class also we are discussing each and everything and practicing the questions which are asked in the last year's board examination question paper. And here also, after each question I keep reminding you the format. Let me rub it and write down next question. The next question is for homework. You must practice all the questions which are being discussed here. Next question, question number 5. A new advertising firm. Question number 4. As it is not working, so that is why I just dictate. A new advertising firm, Prime Ads Limited, to Tolstoy Mark, Kolkata, needs office spot at a prime location in Delhi. Write a letter to the manager offering first floor to your building on rent. Give details of the premises, terms and conditions, etc. You are Pranjal Singh, manager, Plainwell Builders, Nehru Place, New Delhi. Once again repeating. A new advertising firm, Prime Ads Limited, to Tolstoy Mark, New Delhi, needs office space at a prime location in Delhi. Write a letter to the manager offering first floor of your building on rent. Give details of the premises, terms and conditions, etc. You are Pranjal Singh, manager, Plainwell Builders, Nehru Place, New Delhi. Okay, so in the same way, first of all you will be writing the address of sender, then after leaving a blank line, date, then after leaving a blank line, the address of receiver. Okay, and then subject, salutation, and this way you will be completing this letter. So all we have discussed in this video to format and solve letters. Now it's your time for practice. Rewrite all the questions in your own words and must practice them. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.